Strong's Point honey. Let's bake. For this simple recipe, all you need are peanut butter, sugar, vanilla, salt, and an egg. As always, exact amounts are in the description down below. Put everything in a bowl and mix it up real good until a soft dough forms. Spritz 2 foil-lined cookie sheets with cooking spray. Then form the dough into 3/4 inch balls and place them on the sheets. This recipe makes about 25 cookies. Use a fork to squish down and cross-hatch every cookie. Sprinkle them with sugar, the big decorative stuff if you've got it, and put them into a 350-degree oven until they're just starting to brown, about 9 to 12 minutes. Pull them out, let them cool about 10 minutes, and you are done. Let's eat! Thank you for watching, everybody. Please click like down below and don't forget to subscribe.